Hey there, it's Nick from Ruly. In this video, I'll show how to add a sublist to a form inside sections. A sublist is a list that represents a linked model in a one-to-many relationship. Sublists can be added to forms as tabs or cards on tabs. Here we see on this employee form there's an expense claims card displaying all of the expense claims submitted by this employee. There is also a tab for incidents created by this employee. When adding a sublist directly to a section, it allows you to have more creative control over how and where the sublist is displayed. Using a sublist directly within a form section also keeps related information in context, so users don't have to switch tabs or scroll to a separate card to see important records. To add a sublist to a section, first go into Edit mode. I'll add a new section on the form for this example. And I'll click the plus icon to add a new field. Expand the Sublists node in the field tree to quickly add a sublist relating to this employee form. I'll select the Expenses and Incidents sublists. This has added two HTML fields that each contain a sublist merge field. Let's edit these HTML fields to further customize the sublists. I'll start with the Expenses sublist. I'll add a title at the top for expense claims. And I'll change the format. Make it bold, and select some colors. I'll add some smaller text at the bottom that provides further context for the sublist. I'll do the same with the incidents sublist. Here we see on the employee form our two HTML sublists we just created. I can click on a row to open that record and edit the fields. Or I can edit a field through inline editing. Going to the sublist and clicking Edit, I can change it from a fully functional sublist to a read-only table. By removing the buttons and turning off linked form mode. So clicking on the record would not do anything. This sublist can also be part of a printed form. I can also configure to display the sublist as a different type of view besides a list. Let's configure the incidents sublist to appear as a tiles view. To do this, go to the View properties. I'll turn off the list toggle. and I'll turn on the tiles toggle. Let's go back to the employee form. Here we see the instance HTML sublist now appears as a tiles view. I can click on a tile to open that record. Or I can click on the plus to add a new record to this table. Displaying sublists inside sections allows mix and matching fields with sublists and static HTML to better organize your forms. Thanks for watching.